What's up guys, and welcome to yet another video on Nullbyte Entertainment. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to activate control panel on your desktop. Now basically after you've done this procedure, in the end you will have access to all your Windows operating system settings. Now this works in Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows 8 and Windows 10. I am not sure if it works on Windows XP, but you guys can just check that out if you want to. So let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is you need to create a new folder. It could be anywhere you want to, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to do it on the desktop. So you're going to right click anywhere on the screen, new folder. Now here you can basically name it whatever you want to. For instance, I'm going to call it control panel. Alright, after you've typed your name, put in one period, and then you want to put in curly brackets, a left one and a right one. And between those curly brackets you want to type the following code in capital letters: ED 7BA 470 8E 54 465E 825C, and then the last one is 99 71 204 3E 01C. And when you're done, just press enter. As you notice, the icon changed to control panel. Now later on you can just rename this to whatever you want to. For example, so basically you are done now. This folder contains all the operating system settings. So when you double click on this, maximize, you'll see there's settings you can change for Action Center, add features to Windows 8.1, administrative tools, autoplay, color management, credential manager. You can basically just scroll through this and yeah, just go check it out. For those of you who didn't quite understand, or for those of you who didn't type the code incorrectly, I will leave the code in the description below. So if you have any problems, just check in the description. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So yeah, there you have it. This is actually a very nice trick. It saves you the trouble for going to, for right clicking on a Windows logo and choosing control panel, or for example going to start and searching control panel. Now the method I did here is just very easy, so it makes stuff a lot easier for you guys. If you guys like my video, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click the bell notification on my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future tutorials, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.